Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Today we are having our culture's new section. The field culture or environment is having another section, and that is the branch of science. This branch of science is related to you, me and every human as well as animal, and that is zoology. When we talk about animal, we must know this branch is zoology, related to zoo. Every human, every animal and every living organism is having a life cycle. This life cycle shows how a young one become an adult. Might be this can bird's life cycle, this can be an insect's life cycle, or this can be a human life cycle. Here today in this particular presentation, we are going to tell you about an insect's life cycle. This insect is a small caterpillar, and this is also shown in a storybook. How a butterfly gives egg, lay egg on leaves. Those eggs just make a huge egg shell around it and become pupa. The pupa then splashed and destroyed after some time, then got a caterpillar. Oh yes, caterpillar, that can be seen in peas as well. This caterpillar becomes an adult butterfly. Egg, pupa, larva, adult, one. This happens in most of the insects and sea animals. They got eggs, they got their adults, but before that they are having their toddlers. Those are larva or pupa. If we talk about frogs, they have tadpoles and then frog. The cycle again, check please, butterfly. The butterfly life cycle, the butterfly lays egg on leaf, and those egg had a larva with it. That larva becomes pupa, that is a caterpillar, and that caterpillars eat the same leaves and become an adult butterfly. This is how the life cycle moves on and on. We tell our student, the child, about this life cycle system through the cards and through the storybooks as we have told you. Thank you so much.